Friends, now let me talk to you on again a very, very important and interesting subject, namely the man and the God, or say the God and the man. So, the greatest creation of all and the greatest gift of all is this human body and the immense intelligence that is within it, the wonderful intelligence that is within it. So, it is God's most wonderful work of art. This human body, the creation of this human body itself is the God's most wonderful work of art. See, your heart beats about 1 lakh times a day and about 35 million times a year. It pumps 6 liters of blood through 1,20,000 kilometers of blood vessels in a day, which is more than the network or the length of the worldwide airlines. So, in a second, you are producing about 1.2 millions of red blood cells to replace the equal number of cells that die. Your digestive and metabolic systems, they have a remarkable ability to transform the food that you eat into blood, bone, and body structure. So the air that you breathe, which you cannot even see but can only feel, is within seconds analyzed. So the oxygen, it is exchanged for the excess of carbon dioxide inside, and then it is thrown out without anybody knowing about it. So to do such a thing in a lab outside, it would definitely need a very, very complex machine. So every time you have a cut, within seconds there is tremendous amount of activity in and around the wound to heal it and to seal it. So the defense system inside you is greater than the defense system of any country. It is greater and more foolproof than the security system thrown around any VIP of a country. So the wisdom necessary to fertilize an egg and to turn it into a fully grown man or woman, they are beyond our intelligence. So at the helm of this pinnacle of perfection is the brain overseeing all these miraculous activities. So that brain is the brain of this Almighty or the God. So now let us imagine or look at the outside of ourselves. Imagine yourself typing a letter, watching a TV program, and attending to a sudden phone call. So, all three activities together, how well can you perform these functions? So, definitely, it is not with any, level of perfection or efficiency. Whereas your own inner intelligence is performing thousands of perfectly coordinated, harmonious activities every moment. That is with the help of the God. That is within the body created by the God. Without our knowledge, these things are happening. So the above facts clearly demonstrate beyond any doubt that there are two sides to ourselves. We may call them the body and the spirit, or the man and the God. So first, we must become aware of them. Then we must believe in them. And soon we will definitely develop faith in them. So then we can develop a method to use them for our own benefit. And that is all this talk is about. So if there is even an element of doubt, things just will not work for us. Things will not just move. So as long as we identify ourselves with body, we are limited by the body. And when we identified ourselves with the spirit or the extraordinary energy that God has created in us, we have the unlimited power and the intelligence of the spirit. And I'm sure all of us want the later. But unfortunately, most of us identify ourselves with our body. So we shall try to know step by step as to how we can align ourselves with the inner intelligence and how we can tap from this the unlimited source for our benefit, energy for our benefit. So there is a gene in us just waiting to fulfill all our dreams.